Ever wondered how to age gracefully and maintain your vitality? Welcome to our channel where we're all about embracing life at every stage. Today we're unlocking the secrets to healthy aging. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, these tips can empower you to thrive as you age. First, we'll delve into a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is your ticket to long-lasting health. Superfoods and antioxidants are your allies in promoting cellular health and combating inflammation. And don't worry, we'll make sure to provide some tasty meal planning tips and recipe ideas to keep healthy eating exciting. Next up, we'll talk about the importance of regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and overall health. We'll offer suggestions for incorporating different types of exercise, including cardio, strength training, yoga, and flexibility exercises. Remember, finding activities you enjoy is key to making exercise a lifelong habit. Our third focus will be on stress can accelerate aging, so we'll discuss stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. We'll also share strategies for promoting brain health and cognitive function. And of course, self-care practices and setting boundaries are essential for maintaining emotional balance and resilience. Fourth, we'll touch upon sleep is crucial for physical and mental rejuvenation and supporting overall health. We'll provide tips for enhancing sleep hygiene and address common sleep issues associated with aging. Finally, we'll explore the importance of maintaining social connections, and a strong support network is vital for emotional well-being and longevity. We'll discuss ways to stay socially engaged and offer strategies for overcoming isolation and loneliness. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the keys to healthy aging. By incorporating these tips into your lifestyle, you can embrace each passing year with confidence, vitality, and joy. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health and well-being. Here's to living your best life at every age. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on wellness, lifestyle, and personal growth. Until next time, stay vibrant.